Well friends, here is the second problem. The given question is 2359 colon 35917 double colon 5917 33 colon question mark. So this is the given question. Four options are: first is 7 15 31 63, second is 7 13 25 57, third is 9 17 33 47, and the fourth option is 9 15 31 63. So these are the given options. So in the previous example, what we did, yes, first we found the analogy between these two numbers, and the same analogy is used here to find this missing number. The same procedure is followed in this example as well. So first consider the given question, that is 2359 colon 35917 double colon 5917 33 colon question mark. So first find the relationship or the analogy between the first two numbers. So here this 2359 is not a whole number. That means it is not 2359. Actually it is given in terms of digits. This is first digit, this is second digit, and this is third digit, and this is fourth digit. And here also it is the first, that is 3 is the first digit, 5 is second digit, 9 is third digit, and the 17 is the fourth digit. So using the digits, I will find the analogy between these two numbers. So first I will take the difference between the neighboring digits. So difference between neighboring digits will give me, if I take difference between 3 and 2, the difference will be, yes, the difference will be 1. Next, if I take difference between 5 and 3, the difference will be, yes, it will be 2. And further, 9 and 5, the difference between 9 and 5 will give me 4. Next, moving to this number, that is, take difference between 5 and 3. 5 and 3, what is the difference? Yes, it is 2. Next, difference between 9 and 5, this will be 4. Next, difference between 17 and 9. What is the difference between 17 and 9? Yes, it is 8. Okay. If you observe carefully, these numbers 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 8. What you can say? The difference is doubling. The difference is doubling. Here the first difference is 1. Next difference is 2, which is double of this 1. If you double this 1, or if you double the 1, you are going to get 2. And if you see the next difference, that is 4, which is nothing but the double of 2. If you double 2, then it will become 4. That is here. And even you can observe here, the first difference is 2. If you double it, then it will become 4, which is here, the second difference. Now, if you go to third difference, which is 8, 8 is nothing but double of 4. So this is the analogy between the first two numbers. Same analogy is used here and can be obtained using that analogy, the missing number. So first consider that number. The number is, I will take the number here, 5 9 17 33. Take difference between first and second digit, or second and third digit. So what is the difference between 9 and 5? Yes, it is 4. And what is the difference between 17 and 9? 17 and 9. Yes, it is 17 and 9. What is the difference? Yes, it is 8. The first difference is 4. Second is 8. Now, moving to third. Take difference between 33 and 17. Yes, it is 16. The difference between 33 and 17 is 16. So if you observe carefully, this is first difference, which is 4. And then next difference is double of this 4. And the further next difference is double of this 8, which is 16. Using that, I can find the missing number. So first, take the first option. Take the first option. First option is 7, 15, 31, 60. So here, if you get the difference between the neighboring digits as double in this case, 4 is becoming 8, 8 is becoming 16. In the same way, if you get the differences here, that will be the right option. So let us take difference between the second digit and first digit, that is 15 and 7. So what is the difference between 15 and 7? Yes, it is 8. We'll write here 8. Now what is the difference between 31 and 15? Yes, it is 16. Now moving to next numbers, 63 and 31. What is the difference between 63 and 31? Yes, it is 32. Here if you observe, the difference is doubling. First difference is 8. Next difference is 16, which is double of 8. If you move further, 32. The next difference is 32, which is double of 16. So this will be our correct option. The first option itself is the correct option. So here in this example, they have given the number as 2359. You should not consider it as a whole number. That is, you should not consider it as 2359. Rather, it is given in terms of digits. So we found the analogy, that is the difference between the neighboring digits is doubling. Using that analogy, we found our missing number as 7, 15, 31, 63, which is given in the first option. So the first option is the right option. So friends, now I will move to next problem.